tell me, what is the most important thing a person needs to understand about the foreclosure process and how it leads up to a need for your services? What are there some key benchmarks that people have to be, sensitive to? Because, like you said, burying your head is probably the most common problem. So is there anything we can tell our listeners about that, hello, showtime?
Well, the biggest problem you have anytime you're dealing with a mortgage company is communication. So you don't know where they stand. You could provide all the information they asked for a loan mod or a short sale or whatever you're doing, and you don't hear anything for weeks. So you call back that guy at the bank and you say, hey, I haven't heard anything. And they'll say, well, it's being worked on, don't worry about it. And meanwhile, that train is still coming towards your station, and you've got to be ready because you cannot trust them. And so meanwhile, you got to be looking at other alternatives. So that's one thing. And as far as bankruptcy goes, though, there are certain foreclosure / short sale scenarios where bankruptcy may not be the answer. For example, if you only have a first mortgage, let it go to foreclosure. That's not going to hurt you credit. It'll hurt you credit-wise, but it's not going to cost you any money. They cannot pursue in Arizona a deficiency if they foreclose on the property. And I have people all the time, they'll come in, or maybe they just have a phone call, and they'll say, this is my only problem. My only issue is my first mortgage, and that's the only mortgage I have. Let them take the house if that comes down to that, and get on with your life. Yeah, you're going to get hurt on your credit, but you do not need to file bankruptcy.
Gotcha.
And I'll tell people that. You don't need it. Yeah,
that's refreshing.
And that is another thing. You don't want to be steered when you're a client. My actual most frustrating thing is when people want me to tell them what to do. Well, that's not really my job. I make recommendations, but if they have a choice of doing a liquidation Chapter 7, or if they could afford a payment in a Chapter 13, or maybe they could do a debt settlement because they have some access to some cash and they can settle with people, or they want to just work out a payment plan somehow, I can offer them all those things and show them how to work at that. And I want to find the best solution.
Sure.